You know that feeling, that unsettling, weird, tingly feeling you get when you're suddenly presented with an opportunity or a chance that you've possibly wanted all along, and you have the means to take it. It's not that you're bound by any restrictions or something, you can take it. But वो chance इतना suddenly आता है that you just get scared that, oh my god, I have been wanting it, but if I take it to ye, if I take it to wo, and blah blah blah. Just so many ifs and buts. Do you feel that tingly feeling sometimes? I'm sure you do. We all do. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke saath. My name is Tanishka, and today we are gonna be talking about taking chances, letting go of control, embracing uncertainty. I don't know about you all, but I, for one, am a very, very big control freak. I do not like not knowing what's gonna happen. It just makes me feel really weird and anxious, and I don't know what. I just need to always know what's gonna happen. I need to be in control of everything. And इसकी वजह से कई बार ऐसे opportunities आई हैं मेरी life में in which I had the chance to grab it, but just because I was so unsure of what that thing will lead to eventually, that I did not take it. और तब आती है वो tingly सी weird सी feeling. It also brings with it a lot of regret. I don't know if you can connect, but it does. It brings that kind of pain when you leave it, because like I said, you've always wanted that chance. It makes you feel so overwhelmed, so choked. I don't know if you can connect, because I'm really feeling it. That's what I'm just saying. वैसे होता है, sometimes you just let go because you're so unsure of what's gonna happen. We're so scared to take the plunge, even when we have the opportunity. And let me tell you guys, like I already said, it brings a lot of regret when we don't. And mostly, if I'm not mistaken, a lot of us don't, because we are so scared to embrace, if I may say so, failure. Jabki we don't realize that the fact that we do not take the chance is literally the biggest failure we've been through. And trust me, I'm saying this by experience. I have faced it, I've felt it to the deepest corner of my heart, and that's why I can say that is failure. वो करने के बाद जो होगा वो फेलियर नहीं है, बट द फैक्ट दैट वी डू नॉट टेक इट, दैट इज अ फेलियर. बिकॉज जो रिग्रेट और जो पेन आता है ना उसके बाद, आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज, आफ्टर अ फ्यू ईयर्स, व्हेन यू थिंक बैक एंड लुक बैक, यू रियलाइज दैट शिट यार, एक ट्राई तो कर लेती, जस्ट वन ट्राई. Like I said, I would have lost so many opportunities. For me, I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel since years now. I've had so many concepts, so many ideas, but because of self doubt and so many other things, I did not start it. It's not that I didn't have the means. Probably I had better means then than I have today. But self doubt, insecurities, like I said, and just, I don't know, all the ifs and the buts, and stop me from doing it. इनफैक्ट मैं तो कहती हूँ दैट अगर कोविड नहीं आता इस लास्ट ईयर 2020, तो शायद मैं तब भी ये चैनल चालू नहीं करती. आई थिंक it was definitely a mixture of the lockdown and majorly my mom who understood and convinced me that take the plunge, just take it. What's the worst that's gonna happen? It will not work out. You're not gonna fail. Please get that correction. We never fail. It's just not gonna work out, and that will make you sad. Definitely, that's gonna make you sad. That's gonna make you upset. But you know what? अभी भी कौन सा खुश बैठे हो यार? नहीं बैठे हो. We are not happy now either. So might as well take that risk. If it doesn't work out, तो थोड़े से दुखी होंगे, but trust me, there will still be a satisfaction that at least I tried. Because if you do not, if you're in this situation, sad तो हो गई, साथ में it'll constantly nagging ahead, यार try कर लूँ क्या, कर लेती तो ये हो जाता, कर लूँ तो ऐसे भी हो सकता है. This feeling will settle down, and trust me, this thoughts wala feeling na is a very bad phase to be in. It's a very sad phase to be in, trust me. So all I want to tell you guys is take the chance. अगर आपके सामने कोई ऐसी opportunity आती है, and if you have the means to take it, and you feel that I've always wanted to do it, take the chance. Don't let self-doubt, insecurities come in the way, because trust me, they don't matter. They really don't. In the long run, you will start getting upset with yourself for letting those insecurities or that self-doubt or whatever, that ifs and the buts wala jo feeling hai na, you'll be upset that you let that overpower you. And don't let that happen. It's a very sad feeling. You know, for me, I'll tell you one more example, kind of. I have always wanted to take a dance workshop for kids. I don't know, मेरे को बहुत सालों से ये thought आया दिमाग में, because I like dancing, I like it. I've just been wanting to do it since years. पर मैं नहीं किया. Why? Because I always felt that यार मैं इतनी unexperienced हूँ, and you know, why will kids come to me, or I'm not a good dancer, I don't look good in camera, or blah blah blah, whatever. And you know, this week my mom told me one thing. She's like, you know what? You're never gonna be the best. There's always gonna be someone with more experience than you, possibly someone who's more trained than you, or whatever. Humans are not supposed to be the best. You can't be perfect. We are humans. But what I will bring to the table, nobody else can. Because nobody else is Tanishka. So जो मैं ला सकती हूँ वो कोई नहीं ला सकता. Plus जब इतने दिल से चाहा है करने की तो कर लो ना. What is the worst that will happen? It won't work out. हो सकता है मेरे वर्कशॉप के बाद बच्चे वापस ना आए, हो सकता है वापस भी आए. We just don't know. But if I wouldn't try, I will never know. I'm not gonna tell you the outcome. I'm gonna tell you that next week because I've vlogged that entire experience. So you can watch it then. But the point is, just take that chance. Trust me, one more thing, guys, life doesn't always give you chances. So जब chance मिल रहा है ना, grab it. I had seen this video on YouTube long time back ago. I don't know किसका था, so I can't give credits, but whoever it belongs to. It said that this motivational speaker said one thing. It's like, you know, sometimes it's best to not know. You have to unknow things. Only then can you let luck play its chance. Now, I'm not saying don't work hard and always, you know, depend on luck. No. But sometimes let life flow. Stop trying to hold it. जैसे sand को बहुत पकड़ते हैं ना तो भी फिसल जाता है. वैसे ही लाइफ है, जितना टाइट पकड़ोगे ना उतना फिसलते जाएगा. जस्ट let it go. Yes, have some kind of, a certain amount of control is important, I'm not denying, but a certain kind of flow is also important. You can't always be rigid. Jaane do, this is a journey. You will learn. You will never fail. The fact that you won't take that chance is your biggest failure. But if you take that chance, you will never fail. You will learn something out of it. From my kiddie workshop, I know, like I said, I'm not gonna tell you the outcome. I know for a fact that I'm not gonna fail. मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखूंगी उससे. या तो I'll learn how to do it better next time, maybe, or whatever. But I will not fail. I'm very sure of this because I took the chance. You're getting my point? तो chance लो. Because जब आप chance लोगे, तभी तो universe भी chance लेगा ना, to help you to achieve your dreams. So take that chance. Trust me, you won't regret it. You will never regret taking a chance on something that you feel can bring a smile on your face. So stop thinking about the ifs and the buts, because we are not an astrologer that we can predict the future. Even if you are, anything can happen. It's not always, you know, that, oh, I can predict the future. None of us can predict the future. So your ifs and buts can also be wrong. समझ रहे हो? तो let that ifs and buts go and chillax and take the chance. कुछ अच्छा ही निकलेगा, और नहीं भी निकला तो और कुछ नहीं तो एक लर्निंग तो जरूर निकल जाएगी, एक एक्सपीरियंस निकलेगा. So guys, that's the end of today's video. But before I go, I want to thank each one of you for making our channel cross 100 subscribers. This means so much to me, guys. So much. I can't tell you. You know, I'm not someone who has too many friends that मैं start में सबको बहुत ज़्यादा भेज के बोला share करो. No, I'm not that kind of a person. I mean, I did send it to people, I won't deny. But I just don't have such a big group or something. There are a handful of people who helped me and definitely did whatever they could, and I'm ever so grateful to them. But this channel has really grown like a baby organically, week by week. Slowly I've seen videos with literally 5 views and everything, but I think this is a journey. I won't even say this is a step, this is the start of the journey. अभी तो हमें बहुत लंबा जाना है, एक दूसरे के साथ रहना है, बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, बहुत सारा डांस करना है. So thank you so much to all of you, my YouTube family, and most importantly, thank you to my mama, who literally convinced me and pushed me and, you know, told me कि करना है तो please do, don't wait. She told me to take this chance, so all the credit goes to her. Like I always say, she's the brain behind the channel. I'm the face of the channel. That's it. So thank you, Mama, and thank you all of you. हमेशा साथ बनाए रखना. We will keep growing together because, like I said, we are a family. With that, I'll be signing off. I'll see you guys next week with another Dil Ki Baat Tani ke Saath video on Saturday and Dance with Tani video on Wednesday. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until then, lots and lots of love.